Hello and welcome. In this video I provide an overview of the project file structure for an Angular application that were created using Angular CLI. If we run Angular CLI command ng new and project name, in my case main app, it will create the workspace main app as well as the initial project skeleton with the same name, main app, and the source code for initial project is located within this source folder. On the level of workspace, there will be also created configuration files which are shared among all projects in this workspace, as well as the folder with node modules, which specifies npm packages, which are also shared among all projects within this workspace. And the project for end-to-end testing also will be created in this workspace. As I mentioned already, there will be a number of configuration files, and all these configuration files are shared among all projects. Source folder contains the source files for the initial app, as well as some configurations files specific to this application. Main parts I will focus and provide more details. So index.html file, which is the main HTML page that it's displayed when someone visits your site. Main.ts file is the main entry point of your app, compiles the application, and bootstrap the application's root module to run in the browser. And the app folder contains the component files with app logic and app data. As I mentioned already, the workspace will combine the number of applications. There is an Angular CLI command that can be used to add projects, so to add applications or libraries to your workspace. So with ng generate application and application name, I call it second app, we can add additional need to change directory to my app. So now I can run ng generate application second app. And you can notice that there was added new folder called projects, which will include additional projects as well as end-to-end testing for this project. And the angular.json it's the configurations for CLI, where there is projects I described, and we have main app as a root project, and we scroll down, we will see the second app added here also. So it was just quick overview to get started. And if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because more videos are coming. And see you in my next video. Bye.